Alright, so we've just done the tourist gimmicky egg, tourist gimmicky black ice cream, and the tourist gimmicky curry.
Flashback.
You sure?
End of flashback.
There you go.
It was good. Great place to visit. Off to the next site. Where are we off to next, Amanda? The lake. We're off to the lake on a fake pirate ship. Why are the doors not closing? Look at these amazing, authentic pirate ships.
How old do you think this is?
Yeah, yeah, similar. Another Mercedes driver. I like your car.
Yeah, thank you.
So we are in Moto Hakone or something like that. We just caught the big boat, that one, across the lake. We saw Mount Fuji, and now we're walking towards the Torii gates, which are the big red gates in the middle of the lake. We get to see everything today. Tell you what though, it's hot and I'm tired. Need coffee or beer or both. Whew. Definitely feeling the summer heat here in Japan. Whose idea was it to come to Japan in summertime? No, we had to because Lumi's got school holidays. We had no choice. This is the last school holiday. I don't know if you can hear it. There. There's an artillery range just behind that mountain. We can hear them firing off rounds. There's a couple Black Hawks flying around before as well. That's pretty cool. Ah, there's another gate. Bit of a line-up to take a photo with the Torii gate. Might as well do the touristy thing. So you can wait an hour and line up with all the people to take a photo in front of it, or stand here at the bottom of the stairs and get an awesome selfie like the one attached in our Instagram photo. What's next, Amanda?
Tea.
Tea in a tea house.
Tea house.
We're going. Sorry?
Old Hokkaido Highway.
So we are going to a traditional Japanese tea house, 2.5 kilometers walk. Not that we haven't walked enough in the past 2 days.
You should have some pretty good Earl Grey.
My days.
You know what I want? A Long Island iced tea.
Oh, do they have Long Island iced
I hope
tea?
they have Long Island iced tea.
Long Island iced tea.
But yes, so
Sake.
yesterday we did about 30,000 steps, so a bit tired today.
Handle this? I can.
Alright, here we go. Lumi's never tried Dr. Pepper.
No, but I need to know if it's the right
Let me-
stuff.
Oh yeah. Does it have Coke in it?
No, it's not Coke.
You like it?
No.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
The road to the tea house is not a simple one. Gotta walk up an old 500-year-old path. It's called the Old Hakone roadway, which was made in the Edo period. Yeah, I definitely need to drink and eat less. Whew. This tea house better be worth it. Best damn tea in Japan. Otherwise, someone is getting in trouble.
Like once we hit the road, we'll be walking on the actual road.
I am literally dripping water. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No. We passed an escalator originally. Yeah, out of all the whinging, Lumi's actually the most quiet, but she's got internet, so she's keeping herself entertained with TikTok. But I mean, it's really hot and I'm really sweaty, but this is a beautiful, beautiful walk. Check this out. It's gorgeous here. Except that apparently there's bears here. Cocaine bears.
It's Japan, the bears will be this big.
And cute.
Yeah.
They can walk around with sake. Oh, it is very beautiful here. I mean, I'm glad we did this.
Is that you're pinching a lot?
No, I'm just recording for the vlog. I'm lying. Oh, I'm just lying for the vlog. So beautiful. I'm so glad we did this. I trained at the gym for this. Wait, we need to turn around. Is what Amanda said. Oh my goodness, it's very steep coming down here. It'd be crazy to walk here in the 1600s with carting all your cargo or whatever you had to walk with.
Careful.
Oh yeah. How are you feeling?
Good. Better than you, at least.
Oh, well, a little bit older than you, a little bit heavier. But I'm still pretty fit, I reckon, for my age. I certainly hope so. I don't read Japanese, but I reckon that says there are bears here. I really hope they are cute Japanese bears that are featured in many anime cartoons, and they shower you with gifts and love and happy rainbows. Otherwise, I'm getting the hell out of here.
For at least 2 months.
We made it. And we didn't get to see a bear.
English name.
Yes, please. Hey,
Please order here.
okay. Can we sit down?
Anywhere.
What did you do, Amanda?
No, trying to ask what tea this is.
It's actually not bad.
It's barley tea.
It's quite good.
How's the tea, Mark?
Tea is very, very good.
Oh yeah.
I'm just wondering what these are.
Oh, I'm so tired. No sugar at all. Just matcha. A cold matcha. Very matcha-y. Very matcha-y.
Matcha with water.
Spoon.
Good? No. Not good?
Oh, it's nice. It's most probably a little bit sour for her liking. But
Oh.
Looks like
condensed milk.
Oh.
why are you laughing, huh?
I'm not laughing.
You're a sick individual.
Sorry, I just got it.
Can I try some?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course you want to try some, you dirty.
Ooh.
I take the cold one.
Arigato.
No more. Okay, I'll get the hot one.
Well, pass it around.
Yeah. You go first.
Okay. There's no smell. I can't smell anything. Interesting. I don't mind it.
Interesting is in, I want to see you drink it before I give my reaction.
No, I actually don't mind it. After this, most probably not, but like,
The closest thing I could think of was pork.
yes!
It's Singaporean.
I like it. Polaks?
Polaks.
I know. I don't have any idea what you mean.
Lemmy, you've got to try this. Hold on. Oh, come on. Are you serious? Try it.
Held it.
This is it's traditional.
Didn't even smell it.
This is traditional Amazake tea. It's really interesting. Very good flavor. Better hot?
Ladies first. Or second. How much were they?
$4.
Oh, that is better hot.
Do you want me to get another one?
Oh, really hot. Ooh. But yes,
Polak. Like very similar to Polak.
really nice. Very interesting. It's got little grits in it and things like that. I don't know what it is, but it's like little chunks in there. 400. So $4. It's called the Amazake Choya Tea House. It's a dreadful walk from Hakone, but well worth it. You can catch a bus or a secret escalator that we were not told about. But watch out for bears. Watch out for bears. But it's really good. And I've spoken to the girls. So this is the owner here is 13th generation, and they've kept the recipe traditional. Everything else here is fairly modern, but this is the original Amazake Choya tea house. So it's got like
No, I get lots of ones and
little
tens.
fiery place there. You got to take your shoes off, all around. It's very beautiful. It's in the middle of the forest. There's nothing around here. You can keep walking or catch the bus. There's car parks and things around here, but obviously if you're a tourist, you're not going to be doing that. But worth it, and they give you free barley tea to go as well. It's really nice. Reminds me of the Polish tea that we buy in the shops as well. It's really good.
Oh, I'm actually gonna get a hot one.
awesome place, the Amazake tea house. As I said, 13th generation, and the highlight is the Amazake tea, and it's made via fermentation process, very similar to like miso and other fermented drinks. And it's full of energy and supposed to give you power and all these sort of things, and mountaineers used to drink it here. So yeah, highly recommended, worth the walk. But if you want to have the easy way out, catch the bus, which we're catching the bus back now because we're done. we're spent. All right, so we're done at Hakone, exhausted, sweaty, tired, but it was well worth it. What an awesome day, especially the cable car over the volcano and the sulfur coming up. Smells like farts, but it was awesome. There's nowhere else you can see something like that. When you're traveling to Hakone from Tokyo, don't bother booking any of the tour passes or anything like that. It's a complete and utter rip-off. What we did is we got the Hakone day pass. It's a 2-day pass. It costs you about $52, which is about 5,200 yen, so in Australian 52 bucks. Obviously, do your own conversions wherever you are. Gets you on pretty much every bus, train, mountain train, ropeway, boat at Hakone. So you can travel everywhere as many times as you like with one of these for 2 days. Well worth it. Hakone day pass, look it up. Ignore the tours, they are a rip-off. They cost you about $200, and we haven't heard good things about them, these ones. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Check out our Instagram channel, Outback Polaks, and TikTok and Facebook for photos and things like that. I will be uploading there because I got some awesome shots. Can't wait to start editing. Have a great day.